Here we are at the amazing Amazon rainforest. Let's see what we can find. Come on, follow me, follow me. So as we can see here, this must be like a little dam that when it rained, all the rain came over, and look at this. That is beautiful, my friends. When can you find this in a forest, am I right? Come on, follow me, follow me. So this must be the trees that fell over because there was a total great earthquake, if you know what I mean. By the time here are the trees that was planted by the Native Americans. What the f? These trees were planted, I'd say, about 120 years ago. Come look at the roots. You see that? Look at that. You see this part? Spiders.
Get the f out of here!
So here, this is where the monkey used to live as they swing by from branches to branches. And this is beautiful nature, let me tell you. Oh man, all right, how am I gonna get down? Be careful, guys, when you do this.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Whoa, that's so far down. Wow. Whoa. Follow me, let's move on. So here we are. This must be the swings that was swinged by the Native Americans. It's very complicated how it used it. But so what you do is just sit down. Next. Oh, we can't miss this part out. That must be the houses. That must be the houses. Look at this. The houses that were built over 10,000 years ago. Totally. Look at this. Now this is a beautiful masterpiece. Look at this wood. Wow. You know, I totally live here. All right. Oh, I think I'm missing my water bottle. You know, you lost your water down here in the woods. It's not very good, so you have to have your water bottles, keep hydrated. To continue to walk along these paths of weariness. This is very beautiful and where our ancestors has lived. It's pretty beautiful. Oh, look at this. This must be what they ate back in the days. Wow. Wavi Ogino Taro chips. Let's give it a try. That looks very crispy and beautiful. No, not bad. Let's go. You can actually drink this water. So let's give it a try. That's really good. Let's go. Now, the good thing about going in the forest is you can pee anywhere. Everywhere is the restroom. Now let me show you a good spot for guys, for an example, right here. So you can pee anywhere. So allow me. Oh, whoa. There's a bird right there, okay? So when you see a predator, you don't want to be mistaken as a predator, so you want to stay low. That's why we wear camouflage pants. And then you want to crawl. You want to crawl towards it slowly and don't make a sound. You cannot see me at all. I'm very camouflaged. So the key is staying low and don't make a sound. Okay. Oh, there it is. It flew away. Whatever, let's go. here we go. This is probably one of the first bridges ever made in the United States history.
You stupid.
I mean, South America's history. See, look at that. Look at this. Yeah, coming closer. Now that is a nail that they used. They probably like use stones for hammers. Now, that's a good thing to know. See, as you can see, the trees like this is probably where the rain washed it out of the way. Now that is beautiful nature. Wow, now look on the ground. These are fruits that were ate by our ancestors. I think this is what they call a butt neck. It actually tastes. Let's find out. Maybe you have to peel it. Oh, here we go. Now this is what they call a flower back in the day. Very nice, very beautiful. Look at this. Oh, you can't miss this either. Now this is what it looks like when a tree gets infected by these little marshmallows, right? All right. Ooh, now this must be berries. Now these are definitely not poisonous. I can assure you that. Look at this. Yeah, looks like shiny tomatoes. But if I eat these, I'm not gonna die, right? Actually pretty good. Yes. Since they don't have sofas, this is what they sit on. But look at that. That looks very comfortable. Oh yeah. Ow.